Hello everyone, it is Erin Photo here, and today I am sharing a little A6 planner action with you. So this, for me, is one of the most fun things to do in an A6 planner, and that is doing some memory keeping from something eventful. So for me, I decided to journal out my delivery journey with my son. So I am designing this A6 background on my iPad, and I cut it into a 3x5 or 3.5 by 5x5 inch space. And then you cut it down a little bit more from there. And then I decided to round the corners. So I'm using this background because that is the accent wall in his nursery. So I thought it would be perfect to do for his delivery journey as well, because I didn't want some sort of like sterilized hospital type backgrounds. I wanted something that goes with the feel of what, like, the space that I have created for him. So we have the mountain range, just like the accent wall, and then I have Bryson's delivery journey as a header here. And then I am going to go ahead and use stickers from my collection to fill out what his delivery journey was. When I tell you his delivery was a whirlwind, I mean it. So I'm using a little rain sticker for my water breaking. So my water broke at 1 a.m. on November 29th, and I had immediate crazy contractions. I didn't have any contractions before my water broke at 1 a.m. They just started because I went to the bathroom normally at 10:30 p.m. Nothing. I had like some minor contractions like the day before, but nothing crazy. And all of a sudden at 1 a.m., everything started going crazy. So we called the hospital. They were like, "Oh, do you want to labor at home a little bit?" And I was like, "No, I'm telling you right now, like I went from a 7-minute contraction apart to a 5-minute contraction apart in the span of 10 minutes. Like, it was crazy." So we really needed to go. So then I got evaluated in triage. They told me that I could stay, but they didn't have a room for me, which wasn't super fun. So we were working on getting blood work and my epidural in. And then at 4:04 a.m., Bryson was delivered. My nurses told me that I have a rocket uterus, which was super fun. We did an hour of skin to skin time between my husband and I. It was really, really special. Well, okay, so my epidural didn't fully take. They tried to give my epidural with enough time, but the epidural basically only made it to my hips. And then we were just fully feeling things after my hips. When it got a little bit later, we had a call with my mom and dad because they wouldn't be there at the hospital. They were staying in Florida and then coming up the next week or two. So we decided to do a video chat with them first. My husband's family visited us in the hospital, and we got Jersey Mike subs courtesy of his family, which was awesome. We had a really rough night the night after, so I didn't really want to put that in the memory keeping. But then we had our newborn photos, and we were being discharged the next morning. We traveled home with Bryson, and we got to the house, and we introduced him to the pups, and that went over really, really well. So this is my whole delivery journey. It was a whirlwind adventure, and now I have a place to memory keep for it.